better than Shetlers chocolate milk. It is so thick and creamy, it's awesome. The whole milk, you can shake it and scrape the cream right off the top. It is awesome. This is our last jug of Shetlers chocolate milk. It is the best chocolate milk in the country. I've been to the Hershey's factory. I've had tons of Nestle Quick. Nothing comes close to this. Best chocolate milk there is. Very thick, creamy. Even their white whole milk is awesome. Yesterday was our last day at the farm, or I'm sorry, Friday was our last day at the farm. Saturday was the last day. We couldn't go yesterday because of work schedules. So anyways, to the Shetlers family, we're going to miss it. We've been going out there since 2000. When Autumn and I were married, we're going to miss the country drives. It's about a 10-mile drive from our house. We always miss driving out there. Back in the day, we used to go in there and they had a honor system. You'd open up the bank and it would play the Green Acres. And we missed the cows on the wall when it would say the employee of the month was birth of the cow producing however many pounds of milk that month. So we always got a kick out of that. We always liked that it was all natural, and the slogan was the cows are not on drugs, but they are on grass. And anyways, I guess the Mayo Farmers Creamery has taken it over, and we wish you well. And if you have any good milk stories, or you want to wish the Shetler family well, throw comments in the section. Or perhaps you're a person that came from the milkman. Maybe you got a story out there with that. So just have some fun with it, and if you have any other dairy farmers in your area, we encourage you to support them because it's extremely hard work for everybody who does it. And, thanks a lot. We have a lot of good memories and adventures of the milk farm.